Hello, I'm Jerry. I'm here to talk about Google Sites, an application to use to make a website that's really easy to use and super awesome. So there's two things I want to talk about today. Number one, why have a website, period? What's your purpose? And then number two, what are some basics on how to quickly get a website going? So first of all, number one, here is my class website. I teach fourth and fifth graders, so that is my audience. I have embedded on the website our blog because we have a class blog. Each student has their own blog, so that's one more way for them to get to that information. Got a calendar on here, and I've got a little slideshow on the home page there. And then I've also added like the class supply list because a lot of people will say, what's your class supplies? What do you need? So it made sense to put that on there. And I have frequently asked questions. Those questions that students ask you over and over again. How do I get into my blog? What is my email? What can I do? So I got some tips there that kids ask me for a lot. And I've got a reading page and a STEM page for my class to check out. Another thing to think about is whether or not you want your students to do websites. We did for the purpose of sharing information about ourselves. So this is Gabby's site. She also has embedded her blog on hers. My students had to do a page on the books they've read and made a link to their favorite author. And then they had, so let's click on Gabby's. Whoops, yeah, there it goes. Gabby's is in the tablet view. Here's the different views on Google Sites. So this is hers. She's got a picture of her reading log there and different amount of pages she's read and how many books. And she's got her website here for her favorite author, the link. And they had to do a STEM page because I wanted them to share information that they've learned in STEM. She's got a picture of some of her coding there for her Lego robots. And then they could add some of their own stuff. So she's got love for animals and dance. Here's another student. This is the life of Lily. And this view right here is, you can get it right here. This is the phone view. So parents love that. They can see their kid's website right on their phone. And this is what it will look like. So she's added Warriors and Minecraft to her reading and STEM assignment because she is an expert in those areas and that's all about her. So that's pretty awesome. Back to mine. My website right here. So that's a little bit of thinking about what's your purpose, who's your audience, what do you need a website for. That will help guide you in the direction. I'm going to now click on the exit preview to get to the editing and show you a couple of tips on how to quickly get started on making one. This is the main editing window you'll use right here. If you click on insert, it gives you these options, pages, and then themes just lets you do a simple background color switch. Like if you didn't want this blue behind there, you could change it to a different color. There's not a ton of options in Google Sites, but that kind of makes it nice and easy to use because there's not a ton of choices. All right, let me show you how to quickly add a page. So let's say I wanted to add a page. I click on this little icon here. It says new page. Maybe I want to add an all about the teacher. This is Novy. So you just type in the title of your page, click done, and wham, it will come right up here. So you can work on it here. And it will also come right up here at the top of your menu at the beginning of your home page. Super cool. So if I'm working on this one, click on insert. Let's say I want to insert an image because an about the teacher page should probably have an about the teacher picture. You can search, you can go to your albums, you can go to your drive. I'm going to click right here on my albums because I have a profile photo there. Click on it, select. There you go. Wham, right in there. So easy. Let's say I want to put in a YouTube little clip. Here is a little clip of us working on generators in class. Highlight it, select it, and then that is in there. If you want to watch your video, you're going to have to go back up to this icon, which is the preview. Click on the preview. It gets you back to that beginning one that I showed you. And then you so forth. To get out of the preview window, you click right here and you're back to editing. So I've added an image, I've added a video. Maybe you want to add a Google form. Anything that you've done in your Google options can easily be added. So super cool. Here's a little science question on ice cubes in a bag. So maybe I want to insert that and have students answer this. That would be fun. And it puts it in that easy. If you want to add text, I don't know why we have this weird funky shaking there, sorry about that. You just go over here and push insert text and you can type in your text. I teach, let's see, 4th and 5th graders and I love it. Something like that. Now there's not a lot of options for formatting the text. You can see up here you got bold, italics, not a lot of exciting things there. This color is just for your section background, which kind of just goes with your theme of your page. So there's a little bit you can do there to edit your text, but not a lot of options because it's just a simple, easy version to get things going. So that's pretty much how easy it is. Let's see, let's put in a calendar. A lot of people like calendars. So this is connected to my Google Calendars. We'll click on the Know-It-Alls calendar and then insert. It brings it right in. If you don't like the layout, you can go to the gear, the settings, and you can choose the different modes. So if I would like to have a month view, because a lot of people like to see it monthly, click on that, say done, and there you go. Super cool. So if you use a lot of Google stuff, I really would recommend using Google Sites because it's super easy to use to add things, and then you can publish it and get a link that you can send to other people. I like to keep my website link as a signature at the bottom of my email so my parents and my students can easily find my information and be connected to all of this. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. And the never ending.